On December 17th, 1903, man made the first successfully controlled flight in an aircraft, thus breaking a barrier that had existed for millions of years. Today, man, with his intelligence and reason, has suddenly come to the crossroads. Some believe that the guided missile and electronically controlled space vehicles are the ultimate answers to space flight. The recent orbital and suborbital achievements have been spectacular and extremely important. However, man will never be satisfied in the undignified position of sitting in a nose cone, acting as a biological specimen. 16 years ago, at Edwards Air Force Base in California, a highly complex operation was initiated to develop an aerospacecraft that would satisfy the desire of man to maintain control in flight and in re-entry to the Earth's atmosphere. The spacecraft would fly, glide, and land completely under the control of the human operator. And now, the X-15 is ready, manned by a pilot who will make all the decisions for accurate control in flight and re-entry and recovery. X-15 is the key to an operational procedure that will be directly reflected in the spacecraft and the space flights of the future.